Do you know 75% of IT executives believe their projects are doomed right from the start? Surprising, right? IT project management is the process of managing the plan, organization, and accountability to achieve information technological goals, as defined by the client. So, does that mean IT project management requires excellent coding skills? Do you require coding to become an IT project manager? If these questions are echoing in your mind, then you have come to the right video. Hi, my name is Vijay, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn if coding is required to become a project manager. IT project managers deal with the challenges of interdependent integrations, rapid technology upgrades, and version changes that can occur throughout the project timeline. While the team is working on a project, you may realize the technology itself changed. So, mostly no, a person managing an IT project don't require coding skills. However, a person should have some basic knowledge of the programming process and exposure to the IT industry. As a project manager, it is critical for you to have good knowledge of software development methods and processes. Coding activities are the epicenter of almost every IT project. However, it does not mean that you should be a programmer first, before becoming a project manager. There is whole baggage of competencies required to be a good project manager, and being a programmer is not one of them. A good project manager could manage any type of project, with a good team of people who know what they are doing. The main quality of a project manager is the ability to integrate various departments and functions. A project manager's job is to coordinate the project's tasks and keep the communications flowing between the customer, project teams, and other stakeholders. The project manager should monitor the project progress and help the team if they are experiencing roadblocks. Managing IT projects is definitely not the same as managing other types of projects. A project manager with no IT experience may scare or frustrate the programmers. However, having IT knowledge and experience will definitely help a project manager to efficiently perform its project management responsibilities. Everyone working in a certain field needs to have a piece of minimum knowledge about that domain. This helps team members to take effective decisions and to avoid a lot of unnecessary problems. You may find that many project managers on IT projects are from an IT background. However, a programmer that becomes a project manager may become a control freak, thinking he can fix everything. Sometimes this habit creates an uneasy and non-productive situation. I've worked with good project managers and some terrible ones, and I can honestly say that I've seen little correlation between their management ability and their technical background. The most important factor is not technical background, but how much experience they have managing software projects. If you have two people managing their first project, the programmer and project management graduate may be just as bad as the project manager with no IT background. Both need to go through a steep learning process. Coding and project management are completely different skills. A bad project manager is not necessarily someone who doesn't understand IT, and vice versa. Technical knowledge do not predetermine a programmer's qualifications as a manager, because the skill sets required in both jobs are utterly different. So, a project manager with strong project management skills and a good understanding of IT projects is what you need. To manage an IT project successfully, you don't need coding. Prior experience in software project management helps. Also, programmers need to do a better job at communicating. Programmers should learn how to think like a non-programmer and transmit the message, which can be easily understood. Here, as a project manager, you can utilize your skills to set an effective and smooth communication channel. Some wise man told, "Be the change you want to see in others." Being reasonable and understanding the project goals of the associated business is good enough for you as an IT project manager. Remember, coding would be done by programmers, not by you. As a project manager, you will have to make sure that all project activities are being done as per the plan and set processes. A project manager really needs to know what the project will do. What is the scope of work, how much time it would need, and what would it cost to complete the project. And, if you would like to know more about project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.